always wanted to breastfeed my child. My mother breastfed me and my siblings. Then whenever I had the face-to-face support then in Daisy Hill, but while we were still pregnant, was fantastic to get us started off in the right direction. And then the support actually in Daisy Hill whenever we had our birth was fabulous. The breastfeeding pretty much started immediately. And then once we come home then as well, the support continued, which is great. We had our weekly breastfeeding cafe on a Tuesday, which was great just to get all those questions answered, because it's so important at the very beginning to get it started as well as you can. And then after that then, once we were leaving the house, which was very exciting, we went to the breastfeeding support group then as well, which was lovely. But thankfully our breastfeeding journey is going really well now. It's lovely and we're thriving now, which is fabulous.